Have you been looking for a city compact electric hybrid with a full hatch? Take a look at this 2017 Fiat 500e in Celestine Blue. With front-mounted 24-kilowatt lithium battery pack, bifunction halogen headlamps, provides 500 electrodes as the EPA rating, navigation, Fiat premium audio system, steering wheel mounted audio controls, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, SIRIUSXM radio, rear park assist, electronic stability control, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5346.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.